Hey, what is up YouTube? Welcome to my channel. I'm your man, Marcus Lewis, aka the Pepperhead Savage, and we are in the Head Savage Kitchen. And what I'm going to show you today is how to make some air fried chicken tenders. Now this is going to be part one of that video, because if you want to make it like I do, you're going to need to make the brine first. Now what you're going to need to make this brine is 4 cups of water. I got 2 chicken breasts cut up right here. Fat and skin already cut off. You're gonna need 1/4 tablespoon of kosher salt. Now you can't just use any table salt. I mean, you can't be any salt. It gotta be kosher salt. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna let this brine, you're gonna let it, the longer you let it brine, the better it is. I'm gonna let this brine for 6 hours, but put it in a bag right here. We're gonna store it in the refrigerator, of course. Okay, all right. Let me get my 1/4 cups of 1/4 cup of my kosher salt here. A little mess there, but it's all right. Gonna drizzle that over everything in there. Just like that. And now we won't add our water to this whole mix. And we're gonna let that sit in that brine for 6 hours, folks. While that's sitting in this brine, we're gonna put it in our refrigerator for that 6 hours. And I will be back with you when we poach this chicken, because we're gonna poach it before we actually cook it for my tender air fryer tenders. Stay tuned.